In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Discord profile link. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to copy, and how to send it so the other person can open your profile quickly and safely. First, open Discord. You can use the desktop app, the web version in your browser, or the mobile app, whichever you normally use. Make sure you're signed in and connected to the internet so menu options load properly. Next, find the profile you want to share. If it's your own, look for your avatar and name. On desktop, that's usually in the bottom left corner. On mobile, your profile is accessible from the bottom or your user tab. If you're sharing someone else's, you'll see their name in your direct messages list, in a server's member list on the right, or beside their message in a chat. On a computer, right-click their username or avatar. On a phone or tablet, press and hold the name until the profile pop-up appears. This brings up the quick menu where the copy options live. Now copy the shareable detail. Depending on your app version and platform, you may see copy profile link right on the profile pop-up. That's the easiest option because it gives you a direct link you can paste anywhere. If you don't see that, look for copy user ID. That will copy the unique identifier for that account. It's normal to see one or the other, and either one will let the person you're sharing with get to the right profile. If you're unsure which you copied, you can paste it into a note first to verify whether it's a full link or a numeric ID. As a quick privacy tip, only share your profile information with people you trust, and avoid posting it publicly if you'd rather keep your account low profile. Finally, paste and share it. Open the place where you want to send it. This could be a Discord message, an email, a text, or a document. On desktop, right-click and choose Paste or press Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on a Mac. On mobile, tap and hold in the text field and choose Paste. Add a short line like, "Here's my Discord profile link," or "This is the user ID so the recipient knows what it is." Send it and you're done. If you don't see the copy option right away, try opening the user's full profile pop-up first or update your app and try again. Recopy if the pasted text looks incomplete. That's all there is to it. Open Discord, right-click or press and hold the name, copy the profile link or user ID, then paste and share.